Good morning from what is going to be the last hike for about 2 months. We got some things going on. I'm going away. Eric's got visitors. So this is the last hike for 2 months, and it's a big one. It's a cold one. I'm freezing cold. It's probably about 5 degrees right now in the morning. And this is, as you can see, this is Ajusco volcano. We've done this many times. I'm going to start by crossing this nice bridge here. And this is a long one. It's a tough one. One of our tougher ones. It's in our regular rotation. We're going to be up to 4,000 meters in a couple of hours. And it's very clear today. Very, very clear. And this gets really windy as we get up to the top. Entering the forest now. Whoops. Dressed properly.
Yep.
One of us is, anyway.
For me, that always means like 2 layers more than for you.
Yeah. It's almost nighttime in here.
Yeah.
Very dark. All right, on we go.
Unbelievable that we hiked to that altitude. That looks super high from here.
Yeah, it's very daunting to look up and think, man, we're going, and you can't even see the summit from here. Yeah, we're going up there and higher, and then over there and higher. This is a double peak hike. First wardrobe change.
Yeah,
Too hot.
First one. Still got 3 layers, so it won't be the last one, I guess.
Yeah, it's still pretty cold. I can see my breath. But yeah, the exertion, the work from the hike really heats you up. We've been going for about 25 minutes now, and it's all uphill.
Again.
Entering the forest now. I think we go pretty much straight up in this forest for about 20 minutes. Pretty steep, rocky, straight, and then we're going to get to a ridge with an opening which has really nice views, and it's always really windy and cold but sunny because you're open. But yeah, here through the forest it's dark with nothing to see. Here's the ridge that I mentioned. Beautiful. That's as clear as you'll see, I think. Oh, shockingly clear.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. There's Santa Fe.
Even the ugly village you came through looks nice.
Just around the bend is going to be Iztaccíhuatl and Popocatépetl volcanoes. Stunning view. Let me take a closer look here. that's Santa Fe over there. I've picked out the World Trade Center from here before, and Estadio Azteca too. Mexico City doesn't really have a skyline. Whoops, past that tree. All right, that's pretty cool. Yes, upward. I can't get my footing here. There we go. Oh, Mexico City. Steep. We've been going straight up for about half an hour now, and we're going to be going straight up for maybe another 20 minutes. No flat parts here. We're up to the next ridge and we've found the being. It appears to be some kind of member of the canine family. Oh, and he's coming to see me. Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
Oh, wow.
What do you say, Popo?
Yep. Yeah, statue, right?
Ah, yeah, look at that. I'll have to get a look at those two beauties. Está Chihuahua and Popo. Let me get there. Yeah, let me get a little bit higher. Hi, bud. Hi. Hi, bud. Let's zoom in. There they are. That's cool. Very rare to see Ista with snow, especially that much. That's maybe the most snow I've ever seen on it. And there's her, what is Popo? Is that her lover, her brother?
Ah, her lover, I guess.
Yeah.
Popo is the warrior, right?
Yeah, she's the sleeping woman.
Yep.
Can I get closer? Let's see. I'll probably lose some quality there. That's pretty cool. Here's where we are now, or as Americans would say, here's where we're at. But there's where we are. Still not the summit yet. I always talk about favorite parts on all these hikes that we do. This is my favorite part here. This is a really great scramble. You got to use your, you need 4 points of contact, I think is what they say. So using both hands, both feet, and it's very cool. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this, but I'm going to do something a little bit different, starting right now. What do you think about this? Can anybody notice the difference? This is called, they call these GoPros. Apparently it's some newfangled contraption that I'm testing for the first time. Yes, this is the first video with the GoPro. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but apparently they're pretty cool. And I found this GoPro last week on our hike at Ajusco volcano, and I've been waiting a full 4 days or 5 days to try it out. I had to buy a memory card for it, which I did. Today is Monday. I bought the memory card on Saturday, so here I am. And I think the next episode of I Want to Talk About This album. No, not the next one, because the next one is already in the can, which I recorded with my regular camera, which is also new. I should maybe pay more attention here. This is what's in front of me. And now I see my screen is disappearing. Is it still recording? I think it is. I can't see the screen now. Ah, okay, I just have to tap the screen to get it back. Volcanoes, Iztaccíhuatl, Popocatépetl, and there's a special guest cameo appearance by from Nevado de Toluca, also covered in snow. This is to the west, and the other two are to the east. We're talking to a nice German woman who's here on a break for a couple days. She's a flight attendant on Lufthansa, and she flew from Frankfurt to here, and she's staying for 2 days, so she chose to come here. A couple more. We don't see too many people on this hike, but more foreigners than Mexicans. This is a substantial hike. Well, maybe they're not foreigners. Hi, doggy. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Oh, you got a problem with your eye there. What happened to your eye, bud? Hi, bud. ¿Qué tal? Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Hola.
Cuidado, buena suerte.
Pásale. Oh. Ah! We're, I guess this one is the summit, but this is pretty close. There we go. So this is the, there's Eric, his first appearance on GoPro. So this is the first summit. The next one is over here. I think they were around 3,700 here, 3,800. We're going to be at almost 4,000 at the other one. Great view of the city here. Alright, that's all. First GoPro. Maybe I'll put this as an isolated video, and I'll see if I can merge it with the videos from my normal camera. That's all from Mr. GoPro. Continuing with normal camera, or not. I think this sign is new. This is indicating this peak, which is Pico del Aguila. And now I'm going to go to Cruz de Marques, which is the higher one. And I think this sign is new too. And according to this sign, I've always quoted Cruz de Marques as 3,990, and it's now measured at 3,936. So that's shortchanged by, was that 54 meters? And here where I am now is 3,880 meters. And I don't know which one Cerro Santo Tomas is, ni Volcan Xitle. Don't know. But off I go. Down steeply and then up sharply to the next peak. Whoops. This is where we're going. We gotta go down into this valley and then up even higher out of the valley. Right, here's the volcanoes again. I'm pretty much at the bottom of the valley. Let me spin this around and show again. Can't get enough of this view of these two lovers. Look at them. Every angle is nicer and nicer. There goes Eric up. So we're going down here and up there. And here we are at the Cruz de Marques, and the big cross has been toppled. It was still standing last time we were here, right? I wonder what happened.
Very rusty. Very rusty.
Ah, yeah, I can see it. Looks like it fell. Yeah, it's completely rusted at the bottom. That's a shame. That was a real landmark. They've replaced it with this little...
What happened to the Nevado?
It's right in front of you. In front.
Ah, okay, yeah. Get it.
Whoops.
You have to hide here with these rocks.
Yeah. We've sat in this shelter before. We've been talking about this all day, how awesome the weather is. Hardly any wind today, a little bit. I shouldn't say hardly any. It's not problematic like it has been in the past, especially last year. Last year was almost dangerous. It's very pleasant today. Here's the base. It's all rotted and rusted. Yeah, that's too bad. And that's from whence we came. And look at this thick band of pollution. It ends right here where the volcanoes are, which is pretty much where the valley ends. The valley is like a bowl. It holds it in. And then once you get past here, the brown smog stops. And there are the volcanoes again. We're leaving the Cruz de Marques. We got some Costa Ricans there. And one last view before we... So we're halfway down our loop. Ah, this is new too. There's the sign. Casa del Viento. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Not today, but generally it is accurate. So we started way down there, and we went up there, and went down there and across the valley, and came back up here to here, and then we go down here, and all across that ridge, and then down again. I think it's around 5 hours total. Look at this brown gunk in the sky. This is the steepest part. Entering the forest, which means we're relatively close to the bottom. Whoa. Hi. Back on level ground. We gotta go down a little bit, but we're pretty much back to street level, almost to the car. Another 15 or 20 minutes, I think. Back where we started on the bridge, which means the hike is over. We'll be at the car in a couple of minutes, so I'll sign off for now. This was, at this point, we're 5 hours and 1 minute. Let's say 5 hours and 5 minutes. The total hike from car, loop, and car. So it's and Eric and I were just talking. What a great day this was. He I think sometimes doesn't like this one, but he said today seemed easier than ever. And I guess it helps that we had awesome weather. Last time we did this, I think I mentioned it was horribly windy and almost to the point of being unenjoyable. But today, look at this. It's beautiful. I almost didn't even need a hoodie, except in the morning. I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt under this. And it was quite comfortable. I'm actually warm now. Coming down, you don't exert nearly as much energy. So you go faster, so you get warm, which is what I am now. I am babbling, so that's all. Thank you for watching. As I said, this is going to be the last hike until I think we're going to switch the hikes to Wednesday after all of our activities have been completed. I think the next hike will be March 5th. Is that a Wednesday? I think. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Max Bauer, who claims to like the hiking videos, and anybody else, Mike Pratt, hello. Here's the car right here. All right, that's all from a beautiful day at Ajusco. See ya.